Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the second Digital Summit and Publishing Summit, January 2022. My name is Melissa Lolindu, and I'm so happy to be here. And I hope you guys are doing well, doing okay, because we have more speakers today who gonna talk about everything about the trends and major change drivers for media and publishers. So we have key players from technologists, advertisers, publishers, brands, marketers, e-commerce agencies, and many more. So yeah, we hope you will enjoy the discussions, all the sessions. But before we begin, I want to remind you things to highlight. First, please do not use an abusive or offensive word in the chat. Second, for all participants, remember to poll in every session in order to get points. And don't forget to check your own leaderboard to see your score, okay? And of course, all participants, you can interact with one another by joining the lounge, the networking lounge, because this is the conference room, the sessions room to listen to speaker speech and presentation. So if you want to interact or connect with one another, you can join the lounge, the networking lounge. You can go to the lounge and visit the speakers networking table. If you have any questions, you can visit speakers networking table. And don't forget, we have booths. So you can visit our booths. We have MMA, piano, tempo, ASMI, and many more. So go visit there. All participants can do video call and see one another or even chat with one another. And yeah, it's so interesting, yes, so go check it out. And this event, for your information, we received more than 450 registrations. Thank you very much. We have 30 speakers and 20 sessions. So yeah, we hope you will get more perspectives, new perspectives and new ideas after you attend this event, and good luck. And for any panel discussions, please use the Q&A feature, okay? Once again, for all participants, remember to poll in every session in order to get points, and you can check your own leaderboard to see your score. All participants, you can do a video call and see one another, or even you can chat with one another too. Okay, so just check it out. All the feeders here, and you'll find what you need. Okay. Once again, welcome to all participants to the second day of second Digital Media and Publishing Summit. For the first session of today, we have Mas Fik Wibowo or Pak Fik Wibowo, CEO Alfabeta Indonesia. Before I say hello to our speaker, I want to introduce you. Who is he? Oh, very interesting. Mas Fik Wibowo, CEO Alfabeta Indonesia, had amassed more than 10 years of experience in digital marketing field. He possesses deep knowledge and understanding in utilizing digital marketing technology and platform. From the technical and operational aspects, his strongest points include analytical and data modeling skills. He graduated with a Master of Science degree in Computer Science from Bina Nusantara University, and he also possesses extensive experience in Internet of Things engineering. Oh, so please welcome Mas Fik Wibowo. Okay. Hello, good morning, Mas Fik.
Halo, good morning, Melissa, apa kabar?
Good morning, kabar baik. Terima kasih banyak Mas Fik sudah hadir di sini. Thank you for being here. Kami sudah nggak sabar nih untuk session 1. Ini memang baru 6 menit berjalan, mungkin saya ingin ngobrol-ngobrol dulu ya, cerita sebentar sambil kita menunggu peserta yang lain hadir ya, Mas Fik ya.
Boleh Mbak Melisa.
Oke, so kabar baik ya Mas Fik. Hari-hari ini sedang mengerjakan proyek apa saja Mas Fik?
Ya, jadi kita lagi memanfaatkan AI ya, khususnya di computer vision untuk beberapa sektor industri, baik itu di governance, kemudian manufacturing, perbankan juga, dan kita menggunakan teknologi kita juga sebagai bahan analisa. Seperti itu sih Mbak Melisa.
Oh, oke. Mas Fik, before kita lebih jauh lagi ya, aku ingin tanya simple question. Why Alfabeta?
Ya, karena
In
dengan
English,
Alfabeta.
maybe? I'm
Okay,
sorry.
because in Alphabeta, we specialize in the technology, so that's why we find word of Alphabeta. And most of us, we very caring with technology, so that's why yeah, Alphabeta is a good word for us, I think. Yeah,
Oh, interesting. So you will explain more, yeah, in this session, yeah, to all
sure,
participants. Okay,
sure.
we are still waiting for others participants to join, but it's okay. We can start our session one, and yeah, the screen is yours, Masfik. Good luck. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Melissa. What a second. Yeah, Melissa, can you see my screen? Okay, hello, good morning, everyone. My name is TAUFIQ Wibowo, CEO of Alphabeta. First of all, I want to thank Summit Digital Asia as the organizer of this event for giving me this wonderful opportunity to be one of the speakers in this current session. Also, I wanted to thank every one of you for your participation. Today, we are going to have an interesting discussion about the utilization of AI platform in the digital transformation era for customer success. So now I'm going to introduce myself a little bit. I have 10 years of experience in digital marketing field, from the technical side, operational analysis, as well as the data modeling. Now I'm on a CEO of Alfabeta. Previously, I was the head of digital marketing at Rise Invest Indonesia, digital marketing analyst for the Southeast Asia region at Bluefog International, and a project manager at Data on Indonesia. I graduated with a Master Science degree in Computer Science from Venus University, and I'm also a member of Asosiasi IoT Indonesia, ASIOT. For the milestone, let's talk about a current advertising trend. Is the offline advertisement really outdated? What can AI do to revive the offline advertising sector? How AI can make it possible? Advision for off at-home advertisement, and what the advision can do. First of all, I'm going to give you all a brief introduction about our company so that everyone will get a better understanding about who we are and what we are capable of. So, our company Alphabeta is an AI solution provider based in Jakarta, Indonesia, established back in 2018. We have previously worked with clients from various industrial sectors such as logistics, manufacturing, banking, transportation, and many more to provide a them tailored AI-based solution with intelligent video analytics because we specialize in computer vision technology. Our capabilities have been acknowledged in both national and international level as we were selected as the winner in the innovation competition held by the Indonesian Ministry of Research and Technology, and we become the first company in the Southeast Asia region to receive funding from Intel, their Pandemic Response Technology Initiative Program. So that is basically a brief introduction about Alphabeta. If we're talking about the current trend in advertising industry, it's safe to say the brand owners are leaning more toward the online advertisement. Of course, Some of the considerants behind their preference are due to accuracy and measurability reason. According to report by Zenit, online or digital advertisements are expected to contribute to more than 60% in global ad spend in the year 2022. Some brand owners even consider the offline advertising to be outdated or old-fashioned. So the real question is the offline advertisement really outdated? As we can see here, some of the world famous landmarks are actually compilation of advertising billboard and signatures. As you can see, from the number of here, massive amount exposure can be gained from placing advertisement in their places. Not to mention that there are also numerous people taking picture here for the social media. This proof that when managed properly, billboard and signatures can be turned into the tourist attraction to generate unlimited exposure from the advertiser. So, what can I do revive offline advertising to bring success to customer? With AI, it's now possible to measure and to exact number of reach, impression, and engagement for offline ad. AI can also provide comprehensive analysis of viewer demographic profile as well as object classification. Ads can be targeted to certain group or viewer according to their demographic profile. AI incorporation can also generate new business model for offline advertising, where the advertiser will be charged based on their ads performance, like for example the number of views. How I can make it possible? So, Alphabeta, we specialize in the computer vision technology. We can be classified in three different categories: detection, classification, and recognition, counting, and behavioral analytics. For use case in advertising, we can use the technology marked with red circle, which are the project classification, face recognition, people or object detection, people counting, and vehicle counting. Let me play the video. Here, the preview of a first recognition technology with demographic analysis. We can see here that our AI is able to detect gender, age rank, and emotional state of its passerby. Yeah, you can see here gender, age, and emotion. The next one is the preview of our object detection, recognition, and classification technology. We can see here our AI technology is able to detect and classify any object within the camera's reach, such as a bottle, card, chair, table, book, face, laptop, cell phone, and many more. And here, the preview of our vehicle counting and classification technology. We can see here that our AI system is capable of classifying its vehicle into the different categories such as car, truck, buses, and motorcycle, as well as recognize their license plate number. 1 second. Let me see. Yeah, we can see here truck and speed. As for the preview of our behavior detection and analysis, we can see here that our AI system can recognize human behavior pattern, such as eating or drinking, talking, or texting on the phone. You can see here. Heat map tracking and people counting. We can see here that the most frequently passed area with turn rate over time. Let's see the video. is similar integer or unique matrix, we can analyze like heat map. The red one is most of patient area. And in the video below, we can count and track the number of people who are entering or leaving an area. You can see here, this is entering an area, and this is leave an area. What can we develop by combining such as technologies? I would like to present you the Ad Vision. Adding a camera equipped with our AI technology to a digital scene would make it possible to measure how many people actually viewing the ad or just passing by. Recognize its viewer, gender, age range, and a viewer duration with the face recognition technology. Otherwise, with our AI technology, the digital saying can be programmed to display the relevant ad according to the ad's viewer demographic profile. For example, we can see here if the viewer is 20 to 30 years old male, the segment showed the suitable ads based on the viewer profile. Our AI technology are also applicable for billboard, which a billboard will be equipped with a AI camera. After that, we can measure the number of passing pedestrian and a vehicle. We also can dig down to classify its passing vehicle according to its color, brand, and type. Like, for example, we can count the number of Toyota Avanza, Honda Brio, or Mercedes-Benz C200 passing by the billboard in its day. So, a product or services that are advertised in the billboard can be adjusted according to their target market segment. For the retail industry, like in the online store or e-commerce, our AI is capable of analyzing to the most of list of frequently visited area. Yeah, like you can see in the picture, the number one is the most of frequent visited area. So to sum it up, what can our AI technology do for the open advertisement? First one is as a framework. Sorry. First one is as a performance measuring tool such as account the number of viewer, behavior analysis, detect its viewer able movement to determine the number of race or impression. And then a viewer demographic profile like gender, age range, emotional state, and also real-time data processing. And our ad technology can also act as a targeting mechanism to display relevant ad according to its viewer demographic profile. As for the business model, we can apply the annual advertising pricing scheme as the cost will be calculated based on the ad's performance, such as the number of view, impression, or reach. We define reach as the number of people or unique user who actually view the ad, who had their eye the who had their eye on the scene, and impression by how many times they ad display. Yeah, that will be the end of my presentation. Thank you so much for joining us in this session. Hello, Melissa.
Yes, hello. Thank you so much, Mas Fik. Wow, very interesting presentations. We thank you very much, Mas Fik. And for all participants who have questions, you can go to the lounge and you can enter the speakers networking table and asking the questions there. Once again, thank you very much, Mas Fik.
Thank you, Melissa. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Okay, let's move into the next session.